What's going on, guys? In this one, we're looking at the drone crash into the Chicago high-rise and what the quote-unquote authorities had to say about it. So hang around, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and we'll be right back. Welcome back, Art here off the Dome Media Group. A few days ago, there was a report in the news about a drone that slammed into the window of a downtown high-rise just before 8 a.m. The building is called One Illinois Center and is located at 111 East Wacker Drive. It's a 30-story building, and the report states that the drone slammed into the window at about the 27th floor. The Chicago police confiscated the drone, are investigating, and report that luckily no one was injured. Now, I'm sure you had some of the same questions that I had. Like, what kind of drone was it? How high is the 27th floor in feet? And is this another case of a stupid pilot doing stupid things? Without going too deep down the rabbit hole, and to answer those questions, the police haven't stated what type of drone it was that they confiscated. A story is 10 feet, so the crash happened at about 270 feet. As a little piece of bonus nerd information, the building is 362 feet, so at least they were under 400 feet. And at this point, we still don't know if it's another case of a stupid pilot doing stupid things. In my opinion, for what it's worth, I think the drone was slammed into the building by the wind. I say this because 111 East Wacker is located right on the Chicago River, which opens up to Lake Michigan on the corner of North Michigan Avenue and Wacker Drive. I've personally flown there before, and it can be very windy. It's basically a winding tunnel of buildings that line the Chicago River. What really happened that morning remains to be seen, but what is readily apparent right now is that the drone community gets yet another black eye. I say this because while doing the research for this video, I found a report on the incident on a local news website that ended with this. Authorities posted a message on social media reminding residents that it's illegal to fly drones within Chicago city limits. Needless to say, it pissed me off because it's simply not true. I wonder who these authorities are and why weren't they listed in the article. Now, what I'm not going to do is go into the FAA regulations and how they rule the sky, or the state regulations, or the Chicago drone ordinance that is in place right now. I'm not going to do it in this video because I've already done it in other videos. If you haven't seen them, the links will be above and below. The point of this video is to remind all the safe UAV, UAS, drone pilots, operators, whatever you want to call yourselves out there, don't believe the hype. I'm not an attorney, I'm not a legislator, I'm not a politician, but I am somebody that knows how to read. It is not illegal to fly drones within the Chicago city limits. That's it. That's all. Well, that's my rant for the day. I feel a little better. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and share. And also, don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. But more importantly, fly safe. Peace.